Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be doing a review of this stud finder, the HW-710, and it's very, very cheap from AliExpress. I've bought very cheap ones in the past and very expensive ones in the past, and I've been very let down by them. This one has got good reviews, and it's this was about £12, but they fluctuate. Some you can get for like £3, but then the postage and packaging makes it past, you know, whatever I paid. So I found the cheapest one I could and I got it. Let's just have a look at it, see if it's any good, and hopefully it's going to be better than the other ones I've bought, because I have been let down in the past and you end up just drilling loads of holes until you find what you're looking for. Before I get on, I'd just like to thank Darren, my Patreon. Thank you so much, dude. I really appreciate it, and you've really helped the channel. I really mean that. And if you'd like to join him or just become a free patron or whatever, all the links are in the description. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so like I said, super simple setup. We've got wood thickness, and then you've got AC, and then this is AC and electric, so that's pretty cool. And it's a case of just press and hold, and it will acclimatise to whatever, and then you can move it along, and it's all good. Okay, so I'm going to put it on 1 inch, no, let's go 1.5 inches. I'm just going to plonk it down. Okay, so all we need to do now is press and hold to calibrate. Now it's calibrated, and we just need to move it along until it finds a stud in the wall. There you go. I just gave up on it and thought I hadn't calibrated it. So there you go, that's dead center. Okay, so I'm going to calibrate it again, and we're just going to move along the wall, going slowly. And what will happen is, as soon as it finds a stud behind, it will tell us here. So if we move along a bit quicker, come on son, there you go. So now it's found one, and it's saying we still need to go a little bit more this way. So if we continue to move this way, oh, back a bit, there you go. And that is a stud there. So it's as simple as that. So we can start putting up a shelf. Right, I found a stud here and here, which is dead on 2 foot apart. And I measured another 2 foot, and I estimated here, and it was here, so it is working perfectly. So now time to put up the shelf. And here is the shelf in all its glory, and each bracket we put in was exactly on the center of a stud, so it worked absolutely perfect. Okay, this is a very, very neat little thing. It works so well, and it's not as good at finding like AC sources. It can, but it's just not so well at pinpointing them. You know to stay away from an area, but like with the wooden, the stud finder, it will find that very, very accurately. But when it comes to the electric, it's sort of like it picks up the magnetic resonance, I assume, and it's a bit like, oh, it's here somewhere, but don't drill there. And the ease of use, I haven't read the instructions at all, but I knew exactly how to use it just from looking at the buttons. You know, that kind of thing is invaluable for me. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.